My name is Benjamin Samuelson. I'm here with Adoramamusic, and I'm reviewing this Boroughs B30ACENT. Boroughs B30 series auditorium-sized cutaway with electronics in natural finish. It's designed in New York City, and it features a spruce top. Right away playing it, this guitar is super alive. It's been a blast to play either with a pick or fingers, chords, fingerstyle, anything I play on it is super loud and resonant. Boroughs have created an instrument that strips away anything that makes it unnecessarily expensive but still sounds great. The spruce top is bright but not overpowering, and the appointments on the guitar are minimal but functional. This results in a very resonant guitar. You can feel chords ringing throughout the neck, and it's actually quite loud for an instrument of this price range. It also features the Boroughs CNR3 electronic system. This includes a tuner, a phase inverter, and a full suite of EQ controls through a single 9-volt battery. Let me demonstrate how the guitar sounds with a pick. I think it's very loud, responsive, and clear. The spruce top is active and responsive enough that there's no change in volume when we switch to our fingers. Let me demonstrate something finger style. The action and setup on this guitar is excellent for a beginner instrument. The action is low, easy to push down, and I think the string spacing is very comfortable for my left hand. Personally, I've had a blast playing this guitar. I've been noodling on it, I've been playing chords on it, I've been playing songs. I find it's easy to make large stretches. There's great note separation between chords, and it's just a fantastic all-around instrument. The first thing I noticed when I picked up the Boroughs is how balanced it was across the strings. This is something that guitars in the more affordable or beginner range often suffer. The top strings are too loud, bottom strings are too muted, it doesn't stay in tune, it's hard to get around. And the very first thing I noticed was that this instrument is leagues above that. Let me demonstrate. Every chord I play, I can hear the difference between each of the strings, and the separation of notes is really clear and precise. Plugged in, this guitar is excellent and easy to use. So I'm plugged in here to an amp, and it sounds just as good plugged in as it does unplugged. This guitar is super well balanced, and I think it's a very versatile instrument. Whether you want to play some bluegrass, singer-songwriter, fingerstyle folk music, or classic rock, this guitar can really do it all. The affordability of this instrument, I think, is one of its most impressive features. I would recommend this to a returning student or an intermediate student who wants a high-level, full-sized acoustic guitar. I've played on some of New York's biggest stages, and I'm fully confident in this guitar. It has my back, and I'll be happy to bring it to any gig. Boroughs have created an acoustic guitar that sounds great, plays great, plugs in, stays in tune, and doesn't have anything extra that makes it more expensive than it needs to be. I love this instrument. You should pick one up, you should play it every day, enjoy making music on it. My name is Benjamin Samuelson. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe to Adorama Music. You can find this Boroughs B30 for sale on adorama.com. See you next time.